What's up, my friends? Diego Bressler once again with Koch-Chemie USA. Today we got TS, LS, and the very famous by now Guff, right? What do they do? What are they for? So let me walk you through them. TS. The best way that I can explain TS is once you've gone ahead and taken care of all your plastics, of all your hard surfaces in an interior, you want to take care of them, right? So the best way to take care of them is putting a little bit of TS onto a specific dedicated towel to your interiors and go over them to finish them off. Be smart when you're doing your interiors. Always spray outside of your vehicle and put it on a specific dedicated towel for only that. Go over it and you're gonna see a professional looking interior. LS is your leather star. That's gonna be your fantastic finish to your leather. So now you've cleaned up all your leather with MZR or PO, and now you wanna make sure that it's finished off. So the way that I explain this product to my clients is that I tell them, hey, you have to wash your hands. But once you wash your hands, you also want to put on some lotion to make sure you moisturize and keep your hands nice and soft, unless you want them feeling like sandpaper when you touch your lady. You don't want that. So here's what you do. You put a little bit of this on to your microfiber wrap, or you can use a dedicated applicator and you put a thin layer over all of your leather. And that's you're going to leave on for about 15 minutes where it's going to flash. After it flashes, come through with another towel if necessary, just to even it all out, but you shouldn't really have to. Check it out. It's going to protect your leather. It's going to make sure that it's anti-soiling, so it's going to be longer time for it to get dirtier again. So protection is where it's at. The last we're going to talk about is our famous Guff. Now, this is fantastic for all your plastic mats and even your pedals inside your car. You do not want to do an overspray on it. So I see a lot of people spraying it like crazy all over and then drying it all out. Honestly, this should go a long way. A nice mist into the specific area. You can take your dedicated, now I keep on saying dedicated because you have to separate all your towels and your applicators for the specific use of each one of your chemicals, right? Once you spray a little mist into your mats, then you're going to go ahead and push them in to your areas with your towel, microfiber towel, or your applicator. Super easy. You're going to have a great, phenomenal, outstanding outcome on all three of these products. Share with us what you're seeing, because I love to see it. A lot of people videotape me and show me all the stuff that they do and the incredible outcomes they have with all of our products, but I'd love to see some more from you. So if you're ready to get yours, go on to kcxusa.com and I'll see you on the next one.